Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your username on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your X account, open the app, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, go settings and privacy. After that, go to your account. After that, go to account information. And as you can see, the first option is username. Click on it. And after that, you can type your new username. You will see your current username. And you can type your new username. And after that, click on done. And like that, you will change your username. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.